Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today we are diving into an in-depth analysis of the cool subgroups in color analysis. We are going to talk about the true winter, the cool winter, and the cool summer. We will explore the characteristics that define these palettes and how to distinguish them based on temperature, value, and contrast. So we are going to start with the true winter, also known as inverno assoluto in the 12 plus 4 method. So this is the quintessential winter palette. You simply cannot be more winter than this because its primary characteristics are being equally cool, deep, and bright. So they are very cool, they are very deep, and they are very bright, which makes them a true winter. They are kind of rare, but as when you know this characteristic, this method in color analysis, you can really distinguish them very easily. So as we see on the scale, the true winter sits at the extreme end of the cool and the bright spectrum. It features also a the maximum contrast. So the combination of black and white, the true winter wears it like nothing. It's really so natural to them due to their high contrast. So famous example of this striking palette include Kristen Ritter, Audrey Tautou, and Marie Kondo. And I really think that these three persons, they really wear their colors. It's like they know their palette. So next we move to the cool winter, also known as light winter. So they also have a cool undertone, like a very cool undertone. But this is a more delicate version of the true winter because the true winter is really deep, but at the same time, very cool. Instead, the cool winter is very cool, but not as deep as a true winter. So, yes, so they almost have a high contrast, but almost they miss a little bit of that. They also have more of a lunar appearance. So like this example of Jennifer Connelly, Anne Hathaway, and Liv Tyler. They really have like a lunar appearance. They are still very cool, like the true winter. It's just that the cool winter is looks more like a summer, but they are not a summer. Okay, and our third subgroup is cool summer. This palette remains purely cool in temperature, but differ significantly in intensity and contrast and value. Unlike the winters, cool summer has a low to medium contrast level. So this is the main difference. Oh, here I should have wrote cool summer. Okay. Um, and its color are more muted than the winter palette, yet they remain the brightest within the summer family. So these eyes, you don't see these eyes. Like you can see the chroma, the intensity they have, even though they are a summer, because like a soft summer, they don't have these eyes, they don't have this chroma, but they have it. So, to help you distinguish between them at a glance, let's look at this comparisons chart. The contrast. The true winter is at its maximum. The cool winter is high and the cool summer low to medium. So this is the main difference. In the value for a true winter is very deep, for a cool winter medium, and for a summer light medium. The best neutral a true winter can wear, as I told you earlier, is black and white. It's really amazing. For a cool winter, instead of black, they shouldn't exaggerate with black. So the best is to do navy and white. amazing, very elegant. And for a cool summer, I would suggest like a slate and a pearl gray. It's really amazing because also them they cannot wear too much black because even though they are cool, it's better not because even though they are cool, they are summer. So the black is really when you have a gothic style or something like that. And the chroma, like I told you, for the chill winter is very high, or for the cool winter is high, but not that high, almost. And for a cool summer, it's lower than than a winter. So, in summary, those with a cool undertone can explore colors from cool subgroups, avoiding warm hues. If you have an extreme cool undertone, like a true winter, cool summer, or cool winter, I encourage you to experiment within all the cool colors if you feel stuck in your palette, because that's what I experienced. Um, Personally, it helped me so much to look beyond my true winter palette, but I still wanted the glow because I didn't want to look bad. So, but I felt that the true winter colors didn't belong to my soul. It was not for me, not for me at all. So, this is how I made it happen, and I looked beyond it from lighter tones, but still cool because that's my main characteristic as a true winter. So I search beyond of that. I search for cool summer for my personal style, and I'm just I cannot be happier. Really, I just cannot be happier. So, if you want to discover your specific color or you need some informations about ways I can help you to find your true colors, feel free to reach out to my email. Thank you.